Hello. Are you fucking kidding me? Hello. 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 Yeah. Are you attending this session for first time? If you can hear me, say yes. Awesome, man. So what I'm doing here now is like so see, like in Frick Trade now, it's like what I'm doing here there's a lot of things that you can do with Frick Trade. It's really amazing. Okay, and so so it's like you can do AI with it and like everything. The only thing that like you need, like you gotta build is like strategy engine. Does that make sense? Like it's like strategy machine. Like you can produce one strategy within like 5 minutes or something. So it's kind of like a library, if you say, like it's like strategy machine. So like you can produce it's kind of like a library, if you say, like what I wanted to show you guys in this strategy machine. So like you can produce to give you the analysis, a library analysis means like what I wanted to show you guys in this strategy machine analysis. So like you can produce to give you the analysis, a library analysis means like what I wanted to show you guys in this analysis. So like you can put to give you the analysis, a library analysis means like what I mean by that, I show you guys in this is that like I'm gonna strategy analysis. So this is the code that I analyze a library like solve with what I mean by that is like do you know about like Wyckoff Method analysis? So this is the code that I analyze like solve with what I mean by that is like do you know about like is there a way that like I can give you access to talk as well and analyze like solve with what I mean by that is like do you know about like is there a way that like I can give you access to talk as well and analyze like solve with what I mean by that is like do you know about like is there a way that like I can give you access to talk as well and analyze like solve with what I mean by that is like do you know about like is there a way that like I can give you access to talk as well and analyze like solve with what I mean by that is like do you know about like is there a way that like I can give you access to talk as well and analyze like solve with what I mean by that is like do you know about like is there a way that like I can give you access to talk as well and analyze like solve with what I mean by that is like do you know about like is there a way that like I can give you access to talk as well and analyze like solve with what I mean by that is like do you know about like is there a way that like I can give you access to talk as well and analyze like solve with what I mean by that is like do you know about like is there a way that like I can give you access to talk as well and analyze like solve with what I mean by that is like do you know about like is there a way that like I can give you access to talk as well and analyze like solve with what I mean by that is like do you know about like is there a way that like I can give you access to talk as well and analyze like solve with what I mean by that is like do you know about like is there a way that like I can give you access to talk as well and analyze like solve with what I mean by that is like do you know about like is there a way that like I can give you access to talk as well and analyze like solve with what I mean by that is like do you know about like is there a way that like I can give you access to talk as well and analyze like solve with what I mean by that is like do you know about like is there a way that like I can give you access to talk as well and analyze like solve with what I mean by that is like do you know about like is there a way that like I can give you access to talk as well and analyze like solve with what I mean by that is like do you know about like is there a way that so how about now? Can you hear me now? Good. And so thank you for assisting me. I don't know how to pronounce your name anyway. From Taiwan. Yeah, I knew one guy from Taiwan. Yeah, just I met him like 2 month ago. And he also worked on like software engineering, networking and stuff. So yeah, man, welcome aboard. So it's like if there was a way to like give you access so that we can talk, it's like good. But like I'm assuming that you are familiar with what we do here in like money farming YouTube channel. So what I did know is like I truly believe that like is in a journey of like algorithmic trading, what happens is like you aspire to build this like holy grail trading system. It's like one system, then it's like one system for all. But what happened over the years is like I would write the code, I would test, and like it would fail. I would write that code and like deploy, and it's like it would again like after some time it would work, and it's just like down the road, then what happened is like I saw this method, okay, like Wyckoff methodology, who's like it makes sense when you like see the market from that perspective, right? So like for instance, like it's like if I show you chart without like any indication of like what is happening, then you wouldn't like get it for like like predict the market. That's what we are doing here, is just like fucking predict the market. Okay, so like so what I do here is like you see all this analysis that this here is like I'll tell you like very simply. Okay, it's like as this trading range gets established, what we are doing here is like let's just pick the highest high lowest low from that point, and like what it gives us is like it gives us like boundary, yeah, boundary to trade on. Okay, it's like it's kind of like what when they like this turtle traders used to do, you know but like this is so much profound than just like turtle trader, because it is based on market. In Wyckoff methodology they teach you every time, it's like judge the market by its own action. That's what we are doing here, judging the market by its own action. So like what can we say now? It's like, see, what is happening here is see, as it like get there, came here, went there, here, it's like, see, we are already like crossed that like value area, and like we are trading above. So like what do you think it's gonna like happening there? And don't forget that like we have already like it's like rising something. I don't know about this like triangle and shit, but like the thing is is like that you can like analyze the market with algorithmic like algorithmic combination of human and machine, and then like you have the best fucking system in the world. You understand what I'm saying? you know did you can you type yes or no if you understood? I mean, me like in this channel, I mean I did before streaming, but like yeah, anyway, is this good? Okay, voice is low. Okay, how do I increase the voice? How about now? Is it good now? Yeah, I think voice is good now, right? Yeah. Okay, thanks brother. Okay. Yeah, so all I can say is like ni hao. Okay, so and sachet, bro. Anyway, so what I'm saying now is like so now the same principle is like in Wyckoff methodology. I'll teach you like it's like there's like three laws, right? Three laws of the market. The law of the land. We have law of the market. It's like first is supply, is demand. And then like you have effort versus result and cause versus effect. Effort versus result, and third you have cause versus effect. Yeah, so these are the like three laws of Wyckoff methodology. you know. So what we do here is like we're gonna be basically like analyzing it to its like fullest. So how do we do that? In order to do that, it's like so the code that I wrote is like it actually does all the work, and like supply, demand, effort versus the cause versus effect. It's like it's just how we do tape reading, right? So for instance, if I go here, it's like just see it as like I mean, don't worry about the indicators and all these analysis that are done. It's like I'm gonna tell you what is happening, and then like over time you will understand like what it is doing basically. Yeah. So see, like you see these candles, like these are like 4-hour candle. Yeah. It's like overlaid on the 15 minutes time frame. So so it's like when we have this like zigzag movement, and like it's like breakdown down on this selling climax, that's the like major sign of weakness in Wyckoff term. And then when we have like pullback, then we have like breaking down from that action, and that actually like optimal place for entry. And we already have this like short entry here suggested by our system. So yeah, man, does this do you have like any like recommendation or like feedback for the content that I'm like teaching right now? It's like, I mean, I know you have used Freak Trade, but like have you seen this kind of like application or like system? Because yeah, I know like I also use a lot of Freak Trade. So yeah, it's just like the only problem I had with this like Freak Trade, all this stuff, is like the visualization. It's like that's why I like put everything into like whatever I'm writing on Freak Trade, I have to like see it. So can you tell me a little bit about like anything you wanna like say? I'm sorry, and tell me your name too, if you don't mind. I think I'm gonna continue though. Okay, I think yeah, I'm gonna get the video here and see how it's going. Yeah. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do now is like see all this cryptocurrency coin we have, it's just gonna like we're gonna analyze it, and the way we do it is like when we go to like trading view, what we do is like we chart stuff, like charting and stuff. So for instance, I go to like 15 minutes chart of Bitcoin, and I do charting, and the way I do charting is like is in Wyckoff methodology, you basically like do it like this, you have this already, and like so when you apply the same principle to here too, is like you have this, and then like this. Then what we are doing, either we can do this, or just like the code I written is like go there, find the Bitcoin one, here. Yeah, and then like just do it, see, analysis of Bitcoin here. So now we already got some like good short sell position there. Yeah, and what we wanna do now is like analyze it, so what we do is like zoom in first, like what is going on here. What is going on is like we already had our like selling climax there, right? So here our selling climax, and then like this was our like automatic rally, right? So this build our like trading range, right? And then what's happening here is like we build this, we went there, up thrust. So this is basically like a sign of strength, like minor sign of strength. What the heck is happening with the pen? Minor sign of strength, and then like when it came down, is like it's accumulating, it's accumulating to get the energy to push it above. Okay, so we'll see what happens here. But the thing is like this is what what we do like in analysis. So this is what is. So now comes the first part. What's going to happen? Like that's the best thing that like that we algorithmic trader like it's like to do and does is like that's the like fun part. So like what's going to happen is like, see, it's already showing you sign that's like we are gathering up for like our backing up action, so we can see like good movement upside if like this holds true. Otherwise what we have to do is like we have to build the energy first, then like to do it. But let's see what happens though. This is why like we have to like go and see the higher time frame analysis as well. So for that, like let me do that. Yeah, higher time frame analysis. Okay. 4 hour. Let's get the 4 hour. Okay. And we also now gotta get the 1 hour too. So let's get the 1 hour. So what we're gonna do is check this out. Yeah, so we had our up thrust. Okay, so we know like up thrust is like on the test we go down short. Okay, and then what is happening is like, see, we already have like, so our supply, our like demand was building here. Yeah, demand building up. Okay, and what we did from there is like we went up again. Okay, and so like when it went to the supply side, it came down, and like that's what we are doing here. It's like it's a range market right now. Okay, so if for the range market, it's like if it's here and if it's wanna go up, then like on lower time frame, no, we should also like look for short trade. Okay, so what do I mean by that is like short trade is like we can go to 1 hour and do the same thing. Yeah, so for Bitcoin, see, it already gave us the short position here for Bitcoin. Okay, so yeah, it's like if you want to go short, it's like let the market come here, around here, and then we again short and target for this. Okay, so that's what we gotta do is like it's again, so our markup phase was there, now we are at like distribution phase, and then like we came down as like, and then again we are like planning on to go up and continue on this structure. Basically this is a big structure, so that's why it's like all these, so this is where like our demand has built, and this is where our supply has built. So if the market goes up and like it's like, so it's gonna go to these value areas to go there, and then accumulate an energy, and then like come down. So yeah, we're gonna see this moment later on, and this is on Bitcoin right now. So what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna go there on next video, and then run some like random simulation on coin, and then like analyze that coin as well. So that's what we're gonna do is like doing multiple time frame analysis, so that like we can get a good prediction. So I think for Bitcoin it's still bearish. Okay, so yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, and to show you that it's like where to take entry in 15 minutes, we go to the Bitcoin, then like yeah, I mean, yeah, we can wait a bit, and then take a short entry. It's like right now also we can do it, but it's a bit risky. Why because like I wanna see the market to go around here. You wanna know why? This is that's why like algorithmic trading is so fucking cool. See, check this out. Yeah, see, this is why, this is the reason why. So you see this, right? And you see this one, come on man, yeah, it's gone. Okay, so what I was saying is like, you see this one, right? See this line, and check out this one. So for this one is like 15 minutes, Wyckoff price cycle. Okay, oh man, come on. This one is 4 hour, and this one is 1 hour. So what I did is like, this is what I call multiple time frame analysis. Okay, so what we do is like, see, this is like value, okay, this is like price cycle, main price cycle. All right, so what we do is like this is your mean line, and whenever like particle or something, this is the law of nature, okay, whenever the particle or something goes like beyond its like amplitude, it comes back. This is your simple harmonic motion that like this is actually governs by physical law, so whether you believe it or not, it's true, okay. So like this is gonna go till here, or like most probably it's gonna go till here, and then like we're gonna like come down from there. So that's my prediction. It's like so if you are like conservative trader, is like you can wait, or like you can execute one order here and like you DCA basically, like because in long term it's like it's gonna go down, so like you can put like short there as well. But like if I were you, I would like wait till here, till the market comes here, and then take short position from there. Okay, so that's my analysis for Bitcoin, and yeah, so let's see how it does then. Yeah, so okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. And what I'm gonna do in the next video is like, that's what I said, like it's like randomly going through the chart and analyzing it. I'm gonna put some more chart on it. It's like daily candlestick, daily chart as well, weekly chart, and like all this stuff, so stay tuned for that. And and I'm gonna be seeing you guys in the next video. So thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.